Okay,
Is he
it's
biting?
quiet.
Oh, you don't have to go that high? That's too low.
Shh. Are you tapping? Okay, one side. I like to cut on both sides. Somebody cuts here holding a feet under.
Just a feather.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
This one's a new bird, right?
Oh, this is old bird.
Oh, the old one. Okay.
I think so. Is
The old
Yeah.
bird.
Hi.
Yeah, the old man.
Oh, it looks like the new one to me. Yeah, I think that's the new one.
Yeah, new one.
Okay, let's go.
Wait,
next
can I
one.
touch it?
Yeah.
Like that too. Can I? Do.
Okay, let's see the other one.
Mommy, we have to get that.
Aww.
It's okay, it's okay.
I can't remember which one you did.
You go.
Little twins. Aw.
She's a loud one.
How. She's strong.
I think that one's the old one.
down.
Strong.
See, Baiba's not really hurt.
Yeah.
Okay, so I try to hide her feet under. It's okay, it's okay. Ow. Ow, it's okay, it's okay. Almost done. It's okay. Somebody cut just one, like I said.
Ouch, that just wouldn't hurt them.
No, it doesn't hurt nothing. Like I said, just...
You are biting my mango.
Oh, this hurt now.
Out that.
Okay. It's okay. You're good.
Bye.
You're a good girl. Ow! Oh. Okay. Oh, now I have to fix your house. House fall down. They were running, your house fall down.
Michael, you like the birdies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And back I got the
So-
sweet.
Yeah, we cut the birdies' wings. Say bye.
Bye.